Wagwan ENT.
Hail King Selassie. Right now, my brethren, many nights now, we're up on the road, see? And I feel no way I strictly King Sturgav every time. All right now, I want to yell up all the entertainer them in the place. Let's flash it, you know, because I want to come off a low for this. Last time I know. No long talking, because we're up on the back of field from early. And it's tune to the King Sturgav Hi-Fi. Baddest sound in the whole wide world. Lord, we baby. Baby, I love you. I love you, baby. Say I want you. Lord, the mercy of the song called King Sturgav Hi-Fi so bad. Waiting on a place called Mandeville Way. Jesus Christ. Noise. Lord. Ever since the first day we met, I love you, darling, I can't seem to forget. And I don't care what they say, I'm hoping that you will say, oh, baby, baby, I love you, baby, baby, I want you, Lord, this I want to Sturgav style. I tell you about the original style. Not the dreadlock, this is Sturgav style. I tell you the original style. Come with the man and the dread and the man just come. And even Rankin Trevor passing through. Now he's a Papa Reggae. Now he's a little twitching of the Sturgav style. Lord, original style. I tell you with the Mandeville style. Not the dreadlock in a road boy style. Could have 112 tribes style. Sturgav play east, west, north and south. And some long time not to dread them just come out. Rum it in the east and rum it in the west. Don't you know that Sturgav sound and the method of the Sturgav style? I tell you about the original style. Not to dread in the Sturgav style. Let me tell you the original style. I say, baby, you are the one I love, and I will never, never let you go. Cause you love I too. And I sure got to start the show. I said then on the Sturgav style. In on the Robot style. Robot style. Sturgav style. Warm and easy. Warm and easy. Do you remember the man like Charlie Chaplin? And the man called Brigadier the General. Man says later will migrate down Sturgav style. Like I say, blessed is the man that walketh not in the cold, slumpy, and godly. Now standeth in the ways of sinners and sit at the seat of this scornful. With the light and Lord God, Rastafari, say, I shall meditate by day and night. And right now, down the jerk, like, let's go and flash it to the Dennis Brown selection. Saying Rastafari sound play every time.
Said if a fish would keep his little mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught. No, he wouldn't get
Dennis
caught.
Brown, brand new Dennis Brown with different style. Play by King Sturgav Hi-Fi.
Said if a fish would keep his little mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught. No, he wouldn't get caught. Said if a fish would keep his little mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught. No, he wouldn't get caught. No. There is always two sides to every story. A lot of people want to claim all the glory.
Yo.
To live a life that is ever so holy.
Yo.
Live a pride man and forget all folly.
Yo.
Don't matter man now is so unjust. Nowadays, you don't know who to trust. He who keepeth his mouth shall surely keepeth his life. Live down the path and you will enjoy your humble life. Hey, so if a fish would keep his little mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught.
Now he comes. Bound to stand the man and say if a fish would keep his mouth shut, he would never get caught. Boy, from come a Mandeville right now, last I know, but never see a man a smoke a spliff. I saw the man them coward Rasta. See? And the first Sturgav I'm going to can't even get a chalice. Last I know, run it. Run it. Run it. If a fish should keep his mouth shut, he will never get caught. So I know you bubble on the Rastaman selection. Don't you know they tried to test? Don't you know they tried to go? They couldn't conquer somehow. I coming from the east with me eyes in from head. Going on the dance and a bonus split for ya the gangan. In a this ya dance, ya the gangan. Sturgav, ya the gangan. So I play from the top to the very last drop. I'm the man John a long time. They take a while for warm up. So last I know. Alright now, the people them lazy. You understand? Yeah. Man stand up with them hand in them pocket. I feel up them balls. Like a balls juggling contest. I vex. Son, don't take your guns to town, cause you might just die tonight. Sturgav is a whole class town with Josie Willie Ragamuffin DJ upon the mic. I and I run uptown, downtown, hard in the way that we walk. And we must gunshot him but I like Babylon, cause I saw the road boy talk. I say we are the gangan. In a this ya dance, we are the gangan. We are the gangan. In a this ya dance, we are the gangan. Down the dreadlock selects beside the man called Just Screw. Rastafari sound bad, you know. Selassie sound rough, you know. Lord Selassie. So all original Sturgav fans say, go on. You know them can't swing from the Sturgav passing. Don't you know them can't swing? We come from the Sturgav passing. But if you pick we up a lick, we down, we bounce right back. And the hardest sound for dead. And if you pick we up a lick, we down, we bounce right back. And the roughest sound for dead. Lord, they say they come in a Black Maria. They say they come in a Hammock jar. Where them a deal with war. Them put a white like flour, black like tar. We have to jump to fence. Go in a bar, then we come out back. When the SLR, them can't stop win. You know the way the Sturgav passing. King Selassie, them can't stop win. Don't you know we are the Sturgav passing? Lord, Sturgav boom it in the east and we boom it in the west. In a pants and shirt, jacket and vest. Don't you know this a sound? No run no contest. Enough boy we put on the cold concrete. Them other on them belly with a big white chain. Person come out and them start to rain. Well them other come out and a weep, she a weep. Them can't swing. We come from the Sturgav fasting. Don't you know Selassie I protect we. Rastafari guide and protect we. Lord, young, gifted and black. Anywhere that we pass man it must have a ram pack. You know we dance crew. And we ram up this a dance for you and you. We say them can't swing. We come from the Sturgav fasting. And all who no like we no bite it. We come from the Sturgav fasting. So I tell them can't. So last year I live each and every time. Right now I warm up in a dread. Come the other dance here from early. From church time there. See me? Run it. Selassie. Right now come here to the DJ them there. You understand? So you know a little more, you don't know it go. See me I say? Gonna work out like tomorrow man, I work man, you don't know holiday. See? Heroes Day, so all hero have to survive. This one called Look But Don't Touch. See? Only can play by Sturgav in a this style. Now we feel like when you come at our sound, you hear everything we hear on IRA FM. Different kind of sound this. Run it. Selassie.
Oh, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. She says, look but don't touch. Look.
Brand new for this sound playing. I feel away, my brethren. When you come and Sturgav, you know, snug y'all pop a lick on them and show them private parts. Not decent sound. You see me, I say for years, many years, long before them y'all the band. See? It's the last side.
Oh, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. She says, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. Hey, look but don't touch. Hey, mister, look but don't touch. It seems like you've got a fidgety hand, and in your head you've got some kind of plan. And I'm not a lamb to your slaughter, oh no. So she turned away with a laughter. So she said, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. Hey mister, look but don't touch. Whoa, look but don't touch. But I'm so hot like a oven.
It's the last side. And we come to play the part 2 style. I'm here journalist, tell me say them have some good herb in a Mandeville. Rastafari now, sing. Lord, I beg you tell me where you get them herb you from. Promise to your man, me know you're ganja man. Me want a pound for put in a Iron van. Figure rum dance and car concession. Strong ganja man. Strong ganja man. Strong ganja man. Strong ganja man. Take me to Mandeville where the ganja come from. Plant the seedling them in a butter van. Then we transplant them in a woodland. The people them come and them a shake halfway and jump on a plane and gone a foreign land. Change out with money and a pure million. Hey, strong ganja man. Strong ganja man. Down in a Mandeville, down a St. Elizabeth, down a Westmoreland, we not live and fret. Get the weed dry and we don't get it wet. Rum dance all and you don't hear nothing yet. Hey, strong ganja man. Strong ganja man. I beg you tell me where you get them herb you from. Must you get it from down a Westmoreland? Beg you tell me where you get them herb you from. Now you get it from in a Mandeville. Strong ganja man. Strong ganja. Now lift up your screw. And you don't know how warm we get warm. I wouldn't want to say Papa Biggie.
Yeah, man. Now you come on and you select a feature. The man called Carlton Livingston, 18 Wally scene. Because you know a pure niceness scene. Because you don't know a King Sturgav scene. Have mercy, John.
Why lovers have to fuss?
Have mercy.
Why lovers have to fuss?
Now you hear my colonel, I would have man a sister.
It's last year I know. What a big stage for a little sound, man. It's last year I know. Believe me, it come like it's a shootout, like with the target practice. Rasta no. A man says, any way you want it, anyhow, anytime. Sturgav,
Hey,
run
baby,
it.
tell me how you want it and I'll give it to you. Anyhow you need it. Baby, anything you want, I'll give it to you. So don't be in a hurry. Girl, why you always want to fuss and fight? La 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 la. Creating mischief in my life. Oh Lord, you're scandalizing my name all over town. But one day, girl, I'm gonna put you down. Oh Lord, baby, tell me how you want it and I'll give it to you. Anyhow you need it. Baby, anything you want, I'll give it to you. So don't be in a hurry. Baby, tell me how you want it and I'll give it to you. Anyhow you need it. Baby,
Now here comes the part 2 style. So last year I know I just step down in a selection. Believe me, brethren. Me hate when the sound sing up on the stage. Me like mingle with the people, let me know. So last year I know. You understand? Not like the wire fence and the barrier. Rastafari know that. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Lord, King Sturgav sound. I'm gonna boom up the session. Lord, the damn hot girl no see a back seat. Hot girl up front a show her teeth. With both select cock up and car seat. Now the girl so show off why make she a do it. She a bright and she presumptuous. Cock up her body in a big Lexus. Then the girl gone in a Pathfinder. A whole time thing that she gone in a Pajero. Lord, wheel up! Selassie. Crawl where I crawl down, you know. See if you want to crawl down, say go on. How you mean? A bubble where I bubble down. Yes. The lyrics and name, everything them put Josie up front. Everything them put Josie up front. From me a little youth and me a grow. If a politics, them put me up front. If a gun police, put me up front. If a DJ, them put me up front. If a Sturgav, no me they up front. If it's even 10 DJ in the dance, Josie will first have to kick off the ball. If a 15 DJ in the dance, Josie will first have to kick off the ball. We can do it. Ram up in the dance hall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dance hall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dance hall jam, man. Especially when I put my microphone in our hand. Lord, if a politics they put me up front. If a gun police put me up front. If a music they put me up front. Lord of mercy, Lord, hold on tight and we never let it go. Ram dance and you know we start the show. Watch how the people them a dance up on them too. Papa music say you never can tell me so. Do it, ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Only we can do it. Ram up in the dancehall jam, man. Lord, this is Sturgav. I and I young ram obsession. Lord of mercy, make we do it. Till you're not teaching them, make we do it. Grab your princess and make we do it. Selassie. Right now I say the wages of sin is death and the gift of joy is eternal life. Therefore I must give thanks and praise each and every hour. Selassie I live. Carlton Livingston and I play on the control tower every time. Seeing this one called Don't Follow Roma. Dreadlocks don't follow yours, say.
Don't follow rumors. Don't follow.
You see all some fast smart people who live near a yard. Every little thing them do. Every little thing you do. Them run Ghana station. A vex. A vex. You understand? Every little thing you do, them run Ghana station. Right now, I beg the item. Irvin, the sound manager. I beg the item. Stop string up the sound on the stage. I want the next generation of youth them band stay so. Like them I watch go dancing. Oh, I mingle with the people them. You see me? Yeah man, we done them thing there. Now don't follow rumor. Hear what I say. Don't hear what I say. Lord, chatty mouth. Charlie Chaplin, Fred and Young. Love carrier is said. Taskum, Fred and Young. Everything them see them attack and a go on. Carrying him gone up and down to down. Them chatting about this and them chatting about that. And here is say and run mouth, bring gunshot. Don't follow rumor. Hear what I say. Lord, don't follow rumor. Hear what I say. We love. I think bring in me Adrian Charlie Chaplin. I want them on as a principal.
Ribbit Colonel, ribbit 1,000 times, man. I say give thanks and praise unto the Most High God, Jah Rastafari. Cause many are called but chosen are few. Let off the scroll, think all rumor. I always talk culture, nothing less. See? Because the more I live, say this the more I learn. Oh Lord, the more I live is the more I learn. Sturgav sound. I would have say my big brother.
Wagwan ENT.
Lord of mercy. Bad man say more saltfish and dumpling. Kid Ralph, I wait for pick the shot of them pumpkin. Long time with they are now we are doing something. So last year, I would have say principal.
Yes. Colonel man. The one and only Josie Whale man. Lord of mercy. Josie. Remember, say them give me a security company and tell me about me for run the place. And me just call back the Prime Minister and him friend them and send in back my company papers and send in back a gun them. After me lock down my company, give them back them fear. Defend me thing and me sell out me share. Me used to wear me tam and now me start lego me here. And have the Babylon them and I pay this repair. Cause anyway they see bunk up and them up here. Oh Lord! Moro. I would want to say Jenna.
Yes. Yes. No, me hear DJ and DJ a war. And DJ a box down DJ and a gun but DJ, but them can't bring that to me and the principal. Well, when them a war, tell them better stay far from them. See with them know we are holes are. We no carry 38 or some big SLR and we always in a month. Can't tell them no go on so. To them see we big and we fat, them think we tan so. Appear I tell so make we long and strong so. I would man as a principal.
Yes, road boy. I hear say them a war, them have to stay far. You know, hear about the war with Beanie Man and Capleton down at the airport. But the country people, them call it police here does. So here when me tell you no man, this one name, this name they war. With Capleton and Beanie out of police here does. And them crowd of people wanna know about the war. With Beanie Man and Capleton police here does. You know people. Beanie Man travel first class, cause him don't like to wait. Him clear him immigration and him come out of the place. Never know say Capleton brethren them out there wait. Cut him 2 8-pound box, me say, in a him face and then him drop. All of him love get and chase back in a the place. A police have a back all of it 30. Hold on! Well! The man them said the 12 tribe roots down at the gate and sell $100 buckle. And them want to check it out. I would want to say Colonel.
Selassie, remember who grow you from your small. Respect your old lady, remember who bring you come a dance hall. Respect your old lady, I say remember who used to wash your clothes for you. Who used to put you to bed for friend. Your mother and your father. Lord, Ram Seroga come for ramen. Lord, the jam Seroga come for jamming. Yes, I'm from Sturgav, come for ramen. Lord, the jam Sturgav, come for jamming. I and I boom it uptown and we boom it downtown. No other sound could I never test the sound. You know this a sound and a come around sound. Anyway we pass man the crown gather round. Ram Sturgav, come for ramen. Ram Sturgav, come for ramen. Jam Sturgav, come for jamming. Man a boom Sturgav. I want to say principal.
I say black people, you got to know what I mean. Boy, yo, come me say it up in the morning and make it up and me lick it in the evening. But just go, wheel up car and I apprentice long time road boy, I'm a mouth. Oh yeah, say mouth, talk to them.
Yes, principal, still I say I know that. No request to the Kabla, massive request to, I don't know what's going on, because King Sturgav, you know. Baka, Bandy. If for reality you know one, let me you know call a Papa Sturgav. If for reality you know one, let me you know call a Papa Sturgav. I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor. who rule the whole world, him rule it enter. Still I see the greatest king, we come out ever. Only king will go and back to field with him soldier. Still I see raising rod, peal, lightning and thunder. All balled off about in front of every Rasta. Rasta man now sit up with no warmonger. Who believe in iniquity and a bag of obeah. Warmonger no know nothing about them culture. Them don't know where the word still I say stand for. It stands for Holy Trinity. I say strength and power. Jaga lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. 1966 still I say visit Jamaica. Come, wheel up Inspector Willie. You don't know a Papa Graph an original road boy thing. Request to the youth like less more gum than I watch no face now. Sure. If a reality you don't want, let me you know all a Papa Sturgav. If a reality you don't want, let me you know all a Papa Sturgav. Sure. Zombie. I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor. Who rule the whole world, him rule it enter. Selassie the greatest king, we come out ever. Only king we go and back to field with him so. Selassie, raising rod, peal, lightning and thunder. All balled off about in front of every Rasta. Rasta man now sit up with no warmonger. Who believe in iniquity and a bag of obeah. Warmonger no know nothing about them culture. Them don't know where the word Selassie stand for. It stand for Holy Trinity. I say strength and power. Jaga lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. From Selassie 5 man rule each one of Addis Ababa. 72 nation from all over. Bow down front Selassie I the great emperor. In 1930 a pure warrior. When Selassie I war against the Mussolina. Stand up on a battlefield and I show him power. Stand up on a nuclear bomb and he could no fire. Also the Mussolini them get conquer. No Babylon, no ballet, no backbiter. Coulda never touch each owner for this Ababa. If them try to do it, just set them soul pa. If a reality you no want, let me you know all of Papa Sturgav. Let me tell you the reality you no want. Let me you know all of Papa Sturgav. What am I say, principal?
Yes, I'm out. Lord have mercy. People, when me say tell me in the name of the king. Boy, yo, if I not be a culture tune for Pastor Gav sound it bring. Lord have mercy. When me say tell me in the name of the Lord. Boy, yo, if I not be a ram dance tune, man, we are go to in the yard. Colonel!
Lord, every day things is getting worse. Lord, I even stopped go to church cause the head bag get burst. You know why? Them and them were dressed up in a jacket and tie, trying to sell the congregation pure lie. A long time I sell I and ice and fine, but right now it seems like a time for them die. Don't follow Roma in what I sing. Selassie I live, you know. And if the question should ask, what's the greatest sound in the whole wide world, and the sound like King Sturgav, but this sound I don't know, say I warm up. Cause when I do it like them other sound, you know. Next sound then when you go, you see girl with her naked body out the door. You understand? I want man as a principal.
Lord have mercy. So we shall all rise to meet him. We shall all rose to meet him. And that morning when blood falling from his eye,
Lord, swing low, swing chariot, coming for to carry me home. Dreadlocks,
no stone in the river, no stone.
Wheel up and come and make way dash it from the top. And if you don't want the Sturgav crew, say go on. Warm up, Selassie, I know. Jano, when I feel the vibes, my dream. Jano, when I feel the vibes. We're warm up still, yeah. At the cross, where I first saw the light, and the burden of my heart rolls away. Yes, it was nearby day. I am on sight of Selassie Highlight. And now it's just Rasta all the way. Mandeville crew, how are you lick the chalice and be jolly? Cha-la la 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 la. Smoke your ganja and be jolly. La 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 la. Hugging up is against the law. We don't dance like that anymore. Mama, if you can, do the Sturgav dance. Go long, 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 I want you step aside and give me a chance. Along, killing Lord, do the Sturgav dance. My sister, make your foot them roll. How are you make a slide tackle and a power control? Roll on the ball like a land skill pole. Your belly, your back, and your ribs up roll. A dance on the side where you feel me bill full. Hook up your boyfriend, tell him say you're cool. It's a shame, it's a shame. Anyway we go, them just a call out with him. We dash it in the street and we dash it down the lane. Anyway we go, me want them understand. I still want the sound, we have got ram obsession, Lord. If you want another style, say go on. And what am I say, principal?
Ribbit, Colonel, ribbit a million times. Let me show the truth, man. I warm up. When them reading me, I play with poor hole. So you see before me and Colonel Acklet, have a little youth where we are bring down. How you say honorable? Blessed love. Hold it them selector, Danny J. Well, big respect to all the people in the place that don't know Colonel Josie. Run that. A judgment to bring from Babylon, man. Want the people them all see me face, you know. A fire. What we say? Judgment. Judgment. Babylon, your judgment may bring come. X amount of fire, I see Babylon I run up and down. I melt up like a butter against sun. Turn on the bingy fire, make them know say I and I judge a son. Babylon, your judgment may bring come. X amount of fire, I see Babylon I run up and down. I melt up like a butter against sun. Turn on the bingy fire, make them know say I and I. Hey, them all watch you with them and up on them gun. As the prophet them rise, Babylon I lick them down. What happened to no bishop and no priest and no none? We keep tricking black people through the years and then take it for fun. Crucify the Christ and then no yam Easter bun. Yam up on no pork and then no drink up on no rum. Uno yam the bread that's a rough island find the pound no tongue. Then they get to you, them who know up down in this slum. Give them all the coke and all the crack and opium, so them mind getting narrow, them brain getting numb. Take up all the Glock, the 45 and Magnum, and walk and shot them little black brother down. Babylon love the ghetto you, them blood run. Police and them soldier terrorize we anyway shot we turn. Babylon your judgment may bring come. X amount of fire I see Babylon I run up and down. I melt up like a butter against sun. Rastafari, Emperor Selassie. Well, Charlie Chaplin, you don't know your respect large. Hugo Ross, easy. One more time, king. We now bow to the beast, no time, honorable I got through, you know. Yeah, a Rastafari we are praise. One love, you know. Yeah, no segregation. Rastafari. Yeah. We now bow to the beast, no time. Colonel, come cross.
You see it, honorable? When you get it, just jump in it, Rasta youth here. Every clothes get common. That's why I shopping in England. Yes, lift up down the dread. You hear me? I see some little brother and some tight blouse, both Versace. I show them titty. With them pants drop down, I saw them underpants become them overpants. One of us stop them dirty now and say all that dress in there. And the girl them with them body out the door like donkey. We love the girl with sexy bottom, but not outside. Inside. Because you know, we're not your chap, we chap. We have them new dread that jump on woman about ram, slamp him up, chap. No. We have to squeeze the girl and hold her with passion. Selassie, I know. Lord, well, every clothes get common. Josie and Chaplin shopping in England. Yes, every clothes get common. That's why we're shopping in England. We're going, I know. 1 cent connected to the 5 cent. 5 cent connected to the 10 cent. 10 cent connected to the 20 cent. The 20 cent connected to the 25 cent. 25 25 connected to the 50 cent. 50 cent connected to the $1. $1 connected to the $2. $2 connected to the $5. $5 connected to the $10. The $10 to the $20. The $20 connect to the $15. The $15 connect to the $100. The $100 connected to the nanny. The nanny connected to me bang book. Me bang book connected to me key card. Key card connected to me ID. ID have to certify me. Rasta nowadays we have to have enough money, Lord. If you want another style, say go on. I want to man as a principal.
Yes, Colonel. Last year I know. And now we hear them thing, them man. Strictly England we are go, man. But right now, them say I don't have the best ganja come from Mandeville. But right now, I don't believe that. Charlie Chaplin have the best ganja in his back pocket, man. See it down the drain. All mercy. You could have smoked ganja from your idea you need. You could have smoked it from your baby. The greatest spliff you never smoke, man. If people is when you get that spliff from Papa Charlie, I tell you, you will never get that spliff like this. You hold on. Last year I live, man. All right, now a lamb's bread we are dealing with. Talk to them, man.
Hear this one, yeah. Hey, yeah, hear me? Lift up. That's why when you're a DJ and you're out there, you're for tough and strong. You can't be no counterfeit DJ like some DJ where you say them a bad man every week you hear people box them down. I'm sorry for my brethren Tiger who meet in a little unfortunate accident. So every time me go to Sturgav, I have to sing one song for Tiger. Run it. Tiger, original. Saying, I don't know it go. Go on down the dreadlocks. Original. Saying, Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. We're nice. Say down the Tiger. We depend them. One down the Tiger. Then we not beg no friend. Down the Tiger. Say we depend them. Go on down the Tiger. Say we not beg no friend. Wah! Tiger we depend them. Wah! Don't you know we not beg no friend? Wah! Yes, we say we come to teach them. Wah! Yes, we say we not beg no. Wap, wap, wap. Tiger mama depend them. One Charlie Chaplin and we not beg no friend. Round dance along, we have to come back again. Come on dance along, we have to jam it till 10. Wap, wap. The Tiger. Rougher than them. What we love. We love. Dedicated to my agent Tiger. I wouldn't want to say principal.
Well, if I dedicate it to Tiger, I have to dedicate one to Gregory Isaac, brother. How you mean? Yes, man. Why I'm saying if I never Josie, he knocked me out long time. Say me I go ride, me I go drive, me I go walk out the whole of Jamaica. Say me I go reason, me I go reason, me I go reason with all entertainer. Me say the first man me sight that a Gregory. I think we are born on fire for now, man. When me see my girl next door neighbor, you look on her and tell her, say, sweet Janice, are you me want to make me life complete? If me no get you, me begs to blood cleat. So you better hold on. Moro, talk to them.
Oh, well, this one called Funk With Me. F-U-N-K. Right? Like you see a girl, you say, hello, baby, do you want to funk with me? Yeah. So if you don't want it, say, go on. So last time, Chaplin, them for stop showing up the sound on the stage. But like when me and mingle the people them, I come like a wall me I talk to. Saying, hear this one. Say, do you really wanna funk with me? Yes, don't you know that I'm the funkin' MC? Well, if funkin' is wrong, I don't wanna be right. So baby, let me funk all night, Lord. Do you really wanna funk with me? Hey, don't you know that I'm the funkin' MC, Lord? Well, if funkin' is wrong, I don't wanna be right. So baby, let me funk all night. I wanna say, funky girl from funky town. Say she never funk till I come around. pick her up in a drop top Benz, circling the corners and all the ends. Hazel eyes, she got contact lens. Girl so pretty that I can't pretend. Money in my pocket and I got to spend. I took her to the big house on the hill. I put some champagne on the chill. I put 2 lobster on the grill. And my third leg can't keep still. Do you really wanna funk with me? Don't you know that I'm the funkin' MC? Well, the funkin' is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Baby, let me funk up. They say you don't go home on Wolverton Mountain, and that is when you're gonna be my child. Your tender lips are sweeter than honey on Wolverton Mountain. That's the way we're bing, bling, bling, bling. I wouldn't want to say principal.
You say your father was a great old man. You should have seen him with the gun in him hand. But when we come and dance, we come from obsession. We will ram me from 8 all past 21. And Zurman says so the king.
Wagwan ENT.
To all nice and decent people. Remember the promoter say, I want to visit the bar regular. And the Ethiopian roots down at the gate. See it? It's the last year I live it. Now you come. Brick bound sound to the toe down. So don't stand idle on the devil's playground. I wouldn't want to see Corona.
So last year I'm a virgin. Lord, well I was going through Wiggins down one Wednesday morning. Tying up some hens with some friends. And I stopped at a bar, smoking my cigar. When I heard Selassie, I'm proud of my island, I'm proud of my nationality. I'm so sorry for that coward who shot me in my back. He couldn't make it. He died on the 13th of December, 1997. Very unfortunate, but that's life. Cause when you come to shoot, don't talk. When you come to shoot, don't talk. Felt in on the face, screech against the sidewalk. Trouble road boy and gunshot back. I was going through Wiggins down one Wednesday morning. Tying up some hens with some friends. And I stopped at a bar, smoking my cigar, when I heard 2 shots from behind. It was a coward who shot the colonel in his back. Run away with my money like a rat. And I guess he's never been told, he never know. My life is more precious than gold. Long you live, you live, you live, we love down the dreadlocks. Coming Charlie Chaplin, me I dream.
Yes, original cowboy. But you come from the cowboy country, way down west Texas. But I don't pass them place there, I go south of the border. I talk Spanish. Yes, Colonel. Can't lick the cowboy style, see? So I go down in Spanish, you know. Bala la 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 bamba. Bala la 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 bamba. Pedese siko wana puta terrandia. When I'm a put, hold on! How do man say Colonel?
Yes, all we have to say, I just thank Jah for life. I'm promoter. May I beg the item in the future. When I speak to one promoter, we're speaking in general. I want the item promote the item session. Because I never know about this session till last week. I don't know something wrong. So last I know me I beg the item I keep secret. Nowhere keep dance. You see me I say? Yeah man. Running my brethren. Rastafari I know. If Michael Jackson come to Jamaica and they don't promote, and 5 people are come same way. I feel no way. So all the man them are proud and glad to the man them I keep Sturgav. But the man them for promote them thing my brethren. And give it 2 whole bicycle and even 2 goat. You know what I say? Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. We're nice. This one I say. We want people to live now. We don't want nobody for dead now. We want people to live now. We don't want nobody for dead. Some man a say them a bad man, but we know them a mad man. Them guy they a rat man, them for read Revelation. We want people to live now. We don't want nobody to live. Run go tell Michael look down him cute and him handsome, but don't go to win some unless him have condom. Them never make condom for fit by your long tongue. Oh, you go bow down and you know say that wrong now. If you don't want it, say go on. I wouldn't want to say principal.
Right, Colonel. I want to hear the lyrics there now, so go on, Josie.
Selassie. I'm your dash it from my writer. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy. None of them can stop zero this time. How long shall they kill our prophet while we stand aside and look? Oh, some say it's just a part of it. We got to fulfill the book, Lord. Come make we jump it in a Sturgav style. Come make we rub it in a Rastaman style. Come make we jump it in a Mandeville style. Wicked man, man wicked and man wicked. Yes, I want you to know that I am the man who will fight for the right and not for the wrong. What a bam bam, cause this a what a bam bam, bang bang belong bang bang. Lord, dreadlocks from 1962 we get with liberation from the Queen of England. Dreadlocks run out in the Rasta town. Baby mother come out with them picking on them from just a jam. Cause this a one time bam bam, galang galang galang. But if you should trouble the Sturgav gang, then I'll bring a bang bang. Wheel up down the train and make the chaplain galang. Long time when they are from the groundation. Looking out here, you know we are true Rasta. I wouldn't want to say principal.
Real Colonel. Now I hear the little youth when him and Tony B do a tune say we put Bob Marley for money. Now remember, say God say what is to God make it stay godly. And what is to Caesar you give it to him. See? So we don't want to respond no money. Right? Say we don't want it. We want them solid. For money nobody put bread and Marley. No want it. We want them solid. Oh God, just have mercy. Can me say enough respect to Anthony B. You's a good DJ, we chat enough reality. But sometimes coffee and sometimes tea. Sometimes you make the mistake at that time a good at me. But the tune where they do fi put the raspa money. Me think that is a mistake, biblically. He better them put him in a dictionary. Teach about him in a high school and secondary. Make them know say on the world map him put the country. But we put him for money, that a big liberty. We no want it. We want them solid. For money, wheel up down the dread. Last year I know. Sometimes I look for my right hand, Mr. Papa Big is I would tell you, man. I would want to say Papa Big.
Yeah, Mr. Chaplain, scene. Because you don't know pure reality when it comes to Sturgav sound. I used to for 1998, you are begging the Father the one thing, scene. Father God, me I beg you the one thing. You hear me now? I beg you stop them before them kill somebody. We don't want no more gun mentality. I beg you stop them before them kill somebody. We don't want no more gun mentality. The gun they kill Reagan from in the 50s. It kill Fedama from the Spanglass Posse. And kill Claude Masso from down at Tivoli. Kill Capaburi Boy Hans Starkey. Kill Sando Canada and Van Chinque. Kill Bucky Marshall and New York City. Kill Evan Cliff and Alton Irene. Kill Big John Echo and Fluxley. Murder Paned from over Marvally. Upper Boston it murder Hurley. Me and beg you stop them before them kill somebody. We all dreadlocks. Oh, I'm kid on the dread. Cause you don't know sin on it again one more time, sin. Hold on the dungeon, I can say something to the people. Yeah, hear me now, people. You see, as black people, Marcus Garvey says, sin, if you have no confidence in yourself, you're twice defeated in the race of life. And whether you're black, blue, purple, or white, remember two rank cannot make one right. The spilling of innocent blood and taking of innocent life could never be right. He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. When I call upon the Father, my enemies turn back. This I know, for God is with me. A people who know history of their past is like a tree without roots. So you hear me now? Joe! You hear me now? Any black man in your son who respect them color, it's up to them. But you hear me? All the black people them who respect them color and in the year high so. Seeing all black man. All who proud to be black on the whole up on the one. All who proud to be black on the whole up on the one. Lord, exploitation of black people that must have to stop. Simon says so. Exploitation of black people that must have to stop. You know why? Under Martin Luther King, I wear the bling gunshot. Bling Garvey in a prison for make him quiet. And catch Bob Marley in a medical trap. But on the White House, we are going to launch an attack. Bill Clinton get a kick. His wife get a box. Throw them out of the White House and painted black. Now the House of Congress, you want a black diplomat. On 42nd Street, we kill all forgot on the Ku Klux Klan. Enough gunshot exploitation of black people that must have been stopped. Mr. Chaplin, no.
Lord of mercy, not it that exciting. That is I wanna exploiting. And that the world full of today. Lord of mercy, me tell them now. Because the youth them nowadays full of misbehavior. Them anglo one another like them a stranger. Papa Chappin is a DJ, no love to jester. That is why I don't sit amongst warmonger. Because study but no gun call no Winchester. Bitter na Kingston kill a man a Manchester. Cause the whole of we a brother. Say not the whole of we a brother. So big tell them by station. And that the thing that them have to do is wrong. And so the man says, so the Kingston play. Now he come. Deep bound sound will and truly throw it down. So keep on forward to the gate. And pay him look rate to entertain by the king, the rhythm and blows. Well, Colonel, big up yourself anyway you just see it. Lord have mercy. Say Papa Chappin at the party. Biggie, you tell him that. Me rather me die as a old prisoner more than live as a informer. As we tell you, last year I live it and rain it in the heart of fire now, man. We big up a General Brigadier in time ready nothing. I know so we now wrap up when we come out here. Lord of mercy. Say Chappin at the party. And everybody come follow me. Now it's hard to be away from the one you love. Biggie!
Go slowly passing by. Yeah. But my darling, I be you in your arms where I belong. Cause I'm sending you this poem from my heart. Young girl, after you sweeter than the sugar and you're sweeter than the spice, sweeter than the curry, good, sweeter than the rice, sweeter than the Heineken when come up for the ice. Baby girl, why you're so nice? Roses are red, I say violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you. Come and shoot you look, come and hold me tight. Sweet baby girl, come here, make me all right. So baby girl, you're the one for me. Baby girl, you're the one for me. You know why, baby girl? You are the closest thing now to perfection. A man could never find a better woman. Bring joy to my soul and satisfaction. Yeah, man, now General. Now the General, you hear me now? Come say something on the mic, cause you don't know. You're there from night. Step cross the General.
Selassie. First time man is a greeting of the Most High God, Jarastafari, Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Ever faithful, ever sure. Now you've been in tune to the champion song called King Sturgav 5-5. With a man called Danny Dread. And the man called Jasquia, the selector. The man called Jones Whaley Outlaw. And the man called Charlie Chaplin, the principal. Alongside Papa Biggie. And the man called Papa Brigadier International DJ. He come a physical thing called Choma Khan. Put a hitbound song called Sturgav 5-5. Car. A thing called the car. Original thing called the car. Yeah. I'll jump into the link and I don't know me, no color, no fun, no man, some Wilbur. Original car. The thing called the car. Fully body bound sound, man. Sturgav 5-5. One song would tell no lies, I would say. Great is great and great is never to be underrated, and what I appreciate. Because me show me can I don't want me no call no foul. So for you want to pick it up is your business. You pick it up already and then down your belly. Swelling up your belly like a guava jelly. Corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Original another thing called the corn. Until you found the thing called the corn. Lord, fry corn, popcorn, tin corn, quail corn, roast corn, get the corn, crush corn. Boom! Corn. Original thing called the corn. The thing called the corn. Original story of man. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. What a sound nice. Great sound called King Sturgav 5-5. Little man me show me can I do me no call no foul. So boy you wanna no pick it up is your business. Wow, it's up a belly and it down your belly. Swelling like a guava jelly. Corn. C-O-R-N, corn. But originally not a lot of thing that they call the corn. The thing called the corn. Lord, we say me have to give me picnic on the corn and just spawn. I'm the phone, let me have to give them crush corn. Wow, that a trip. You just step on my corn. Original thing called the corn. Reggae just a sit up on the corn. Lord. Fry corn, popcorn, I'm gonna corn, quail corn, green corn, dry corn, popcorn, get me corn, boom! Still up all out that the corn. Corn in all the heat, that's where we have to reach. Corn in all the west, you know we sound the best. Corn in all the south, right and thumping on your mouth. Corn in all the you take the rasta man smart. You keep on jumping, fling the rhythm to your heart. Corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Original thing called the corn. That's why we tell them, we show me, can I don't know, we don't know, can I don't know, found. So for you wanna know, pick it up, it is your own business. You pick it up already, and then down your belly. Swelling up your belly like a guava jelly. Corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Original thing called the corn. You have a whole lot of different color of corn. Listen me good. You have red corn, white corn, black corn, blue corn, purple corn, green corn, upside down corn. Corn. The thing called the corn. Them girl fling down the corn. Yes, Brigadier DJ the corn. That's why we say corn in the heat. That's where we have to reach. Wow, we down the west. You know we down the best. Corn in on the south. Chew it in your mouth. Corn in the north. The Rasta man smart. Corn. What thing called the corn? Now I'm a good line to say. How good and how pleasant it is for high and I bridging to dwell together in unity and love. Like a precious excitement from the head to the beard and word into the skirt of high and I garments. Like the joy feelings ascended the hills of Zion. Now who should stand in his holy place? He that have a clean hands and a pure in heart. Those and those who don't lift their souls unto vanity. Now sow the seed deceitfully. They shall receive the blessing of the Most High God, the Rastafari. And the truth of his generation. Lord, hey, it was so freezing and so cool down in the afternoon. As I passed the bedlam scamping, could I hear them sing? A part of orange in the wild From the chalice, make the father high road. Father lick the chalice and give it to the priest. Priest lick the chalice, give it to the elder. Elder lick the chalice, give it to the deacon. Deacon lick the chalice and give it to the nun. Nun the guy that's going to deacon. This a ganja pipe, your bone. Don't load it up and come. But I'm people, it's time people. Long. After the first thing we do, when we go by the caliber. Take me knife and then we cut it up fine. Get little water and then we slightly dump it. Put it in the country but we don't ram it. Get some other water and then we give the chalice. Stuff in the country and now let me bless it. Call Papa big hand and give me a light. Strictly sensible and we are born in on the night. The top people. God the herb can done. No ganja find people. God the herb can done. One of them know. Said that Serbia is a healing of a nation. No man know where herb is coming from. The finest and the white
Wagwan ENT.
Usually smoke white in Virgin Salam. Burn, take the seed and spread it all over Janja land. That's how man will come by so much herb upon the land. Ganja five people. God, lift up and come again with select time. Who don't want to smoke a biggie? I keep on it. Yeah, man. I come and I selector feature the man called Mr. Linville Thompson, which is stronger than Thompson. Seen the thing called the King Sturgav sound. A thing called ready for them. Little twitch. Naughty Pablo. Way down the police car.
Me ready for them.
How you mean?
Stop me again.
All I pull up me selector.
I'm
ready for them. Stereograph from on a can't burn pen.
by His Majesty. Yes.
Brigadier Jerry Josie with Charlie Chaplin. Down the dreadlocks just screw.
And then
How do you do?
Me
Fears don't tell me how do you do?
for them. And then can't hold me back again. They've been slandering my name all over the place. But mind these people been trying to put me down. No way they can stop me now. I'm ready for them. I go flash it up and mash it up again. Me ready for them. I go mash it up and flash it up again. I will never make my children suffer. I will never make them slip in the gutter. Junior, O'Neill and Candy, they will never suffer no more. No way, boy.
Linval Thompson.
Me ready for them. And them can't hold me back again. Me ready for them. And them can't stop me again.
Hey, come on, I select a feature on the participation to dreadlocks. A thing name ready, we ready for them. Y'all hear me now? Because I said them can't stop the Sturgav again. Sturgav from on a cockburn pin. I see I'm ready, we ready for them. Little twitch, but no bitch ready. Lord, this a Pablo. I make a bad song. But I mean say go need all the stereo. Yeah, because I'm ready, we ready for them. I'm ready, we ready for them. Stereograph from where I can't burn pain. Ready, we ready for them. Stereograph come to solve them problem. Because if you have a problem to deal with music, come to Stereograph and we solve it quick. Strictly 45 and strictly don't play. Get the reggae music, you get it off it. And I'm ready, we ready for them. Stereograph from where I can't burn pain. But I mean say ready, we ready for them. Stereograph solve the musical problem. And if you're ready, we ready for them. Silvergraph that is what we all eating. But I mean say ready, we ready
749 and I say 1 moment 10. Tell it to them, a man, we go and teach them. I'm man of the teacher and them the student. I bust 3 lyrics and them keep silent. To me, when I'm me heart and not me garments. Now what a man so. I say that them a rape, madam. I man say silent river, my brethren always run deep. Lord of mercy, I man say what a man so. I may say that them a rape, Lord. I man say silent river, my brethren always run deep. Hear the star. So some no want me live there, them only want me live cheap. Want me walk up and down into the sun and feel the heat. Some want me travel over the hills and know the hills is steep. And I go trample Babylon under we feet. Make them know the Rasta children can't get the feet. I chat some and chat while I preach, we a preach. So what a man so biggie.
But I may say, tell me why you love the Sturgav. Yeah. But I may say, come down, Brigadier General, come down, come down.
Man like Little Thompson, mash up Madison Square Garden, and the island to bring back a Chris Dodson. No, you just a sample. To all clean-hearted people. So we have the bus street again and ready for them. Now I'm back from none of them, now beg no friend. Sing the drums and we ready for them. Hey, but mash for come, we mash it up again. Now we are ready for them. And Cha-Cha don't listen, we don't beg no friend. Hey, no see we ready, man, we ready for them. And mash we come, we mash it up again. I come for some, a lot of them problems. I make we lead them to the whole land, Jerusalem. Gonna walk the move on with my Jordan. Wow, walk the mix around the Bentley. We're ready for them. I'm mash for come, we mash it up again. Could be Pauline, Beverly, could be Keita, you Maxwell. But I have figured someone out to run upon my well. If you find it, your teacher put on your bed. Wow, you think I like me, say you're gone quite well. I'm ready, we're ready for them, y'all. I'm mash, I say we mash it up again. Get them up it, I'm ready, say we ready for them. Run, go tell it to your friend of me, pen. Run, go tell it to your friend of Cockburn, pen. Run, go tell Pauline, run, go tell Glenn. Tell them step around, come on street again. I'm ready, we're ready for them. Wow, I'm mash, we are gonna mash it up again. Mash it up down, I can't really mash it downtown. I'm black and white and everybody up together around. Send them and listen to the champion songs, don't be no clown. Listen once for a while, it's jumping down. Wow, I'm ready, we're ready for them. Now mash we are gonna mash it up again. Ready, we're ready like Uncle Freddy, moving steady. So get them go down, we were rude up, put that into down. I'm ready for them. We're gonna mash it up, my friend. A song like King Sturgav 5-5. A man called Charlie Chaplin, man called Outlaw Josie Whale, man called Papa Biggie, man like Little Twitch and our Brigadier Jerry, and the cat called Little Tom. So hear this. Big up the man like Donald Dread and the man called Just Screw. Now the first thing, original thing called the Arena. Better thing called Tree to Zion. Big up myself, Mandeville people, you know. Got to move on the Black Star Liner. I'm posting on the Concord. The Black Star Liner. It's going to Zion. We don't want no blood on the train. We don't want no gun on the train. We don't want no machine tonight. Please start your plane. Someone really truly so well. Black Star Liner. We don't want no war on the train. Little Thompson. We don't want no blood on the train. Mash up Madison Square Garden. Yeah. They take in the arena. I ain't no combination to our play. Play by the champion song called King Sturgav. Hear this. Original that in the arena, play by the kickbound sound. With the man called Donald Jordan, just goes your selector. Hear this. Lord of mercy. I want the man them knows the Sturgav and the king of the arena. So it don't make no other sound come challenge. Sturgav on the king of the arena. No sound shooter never challenge I rule the arena. Everything arena. Sturgav flick down Joe Fraser. Muhammad Ali run out of the hero. Mike Tyson him never want to enter. But it's a sound run the arena. Pick up your something, but do you want it? I keep you ranking, I keep you skanking, I keep you moving, I keep you grooving. Way down the thing called arena wheel, I would say. Train to Zion is coming. Don't need no ticket, just get on board. Train to Zion is coming. But don't need no ticket, just get on board. When I go to the blank, start my line. Kind of wheel on the way to Zion. On his way to Holy Mount Zion. Where the Most High come on and bless the flow to I hides the lion. Yeah. Train to Zion as I would say. Get on the moon, my brother. Train is coming. Put on your shoes, my sister. The train is leaving. And coming some boy. I want who them to deal with. And I want to say boy. I want them to deal with. We were sold for nothing, man, redeemed for naught. That's why we know black people kind of really truly too smart. Yet them try for trick a high and high brain. While we put we head a running train. Black people tough, we wild for tame. But high and I have to send the biggest brain. We love to see sunshine, we love to feel the rain. But don't want Rastafari pick the feel no pain. The black star online and it's going to Zion. The black star liner. No, every duty iron. Train to Zion is coming. Calling all Rastafari people. Train to Zion is calling. Calling all of your bingy people. Train to Zion is calling. Calling all conscious bomber people. Train to Zion is coming. Call all culture of Israel people. I play the black star liner. It's going to Zion. I'm on the king of the arena. I'm on rule the arena. So you must never try to challenge high. I am the king of the arena. Me box down Joe Fraser. Muhammad Ali run out of the hero. Mike Tyson could never enter. Cause seem like him vision the danger. But I'm on the king of the arena. So pick up your something. What do you want it? Keep you rocking, keep you skanking, I'll keep you jumping, I'll keep you moving, keep you moving.
Wagwan ENT.